have with us Forever Genelia. Red Knoll presents Forever Genelia, A Star's Journey, sponsored by Pretty Queen Holiday and Resorts.
Pretty Queen Holidays and Resorts. Safe journey, secured stay, aesthetic environment, unexplored places, authentic foods. Live together, love together, laugh together.
Actually, kickstart with Sachin re-release.
Yes. Yeah, that was actually I love that we got again after so many years. I think it's a very special film, Sachin. Like everywhere I go, generally the thing that people tell me is Sachin, Shalini.
I think fingers crossed probably with Surya sir we can see in Tamil film.
Yeah, I think Surya is amazing. You know, honestly, if you tell me to act and not do anything else, like, just act and go home, don't do all these red carpets and all, I'm very happy. Fame happened to me, but it's not what I work for. I work for
Meenakshi Academy of Higher Education and Research. Admissions open. Apply online.
Hi, this is Deepika from Red Knoll. We have with us Forever Genelia, the star.
No.
No, because like we're always fond of you
Yes.
and the cutest Hasini.
Thank you.
Forever in our hearts. And how are you?
Very good.
And where are you in Tamil industry? I mean, like
No one's offering me, I'm ready.
Ayyo, she's ready and nobody's I mean, like
Yeah.
seriously, we are waiting on series.
No, I'm also waiting. Hopefully soon there'll be something exciting that comes up.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward. I mean, this year I've started doing a lot more work. Till last year I was not doing so much work because of the kids and production and everything. But I think this year onwards I'm ready to do it.
Yes. Speaking of the thing which is, I mean, like Tamil audience have a craze on you.
Yes.
Probably I should actually kickstart with Sachin re-release.
Yes. Yeah, that was actually I didn't know about it initially. Then I read about it all over and I was very excited to know what. But the love that we got again after so many years, I think it's a very special film, Sachin. And I had a wonderful time shooting. I mean, of course, it's the craze of a superstar, but I'm also very fortunate to have been part of the film, and I'm part of, like everywhere I go, generally the thing that people tell me is Sachin, Shalini. So yeah, very special film.
And one thing is such that is you guys make a very good pair, you and Vijay sir, and I think not only us, even Sangeeta ma'am also
Yes,
said
Sangeeta
once.
ma'am. Yes. Sangeeta, actually, I spent some very amazing, very sweet memories with Sangeeta during Sachin's shoot. I remember she had come for New Year's. We celebrated New Year's. We were shooting in Ooty. For like 40, and I didn't go back home for New Year's. I stayed in Coimbatore, and she had come in with their son. Yeah, and he was small then. I think he's become big.
Yeah.
And
now he's into direction.
yeah, I heard. Yeah, but Sangeeta and me spent some very nice, short but very sweet time. So I am very fond of the time that I spent with her, and of course with Vijay sir. So I absolutely loved working with him. It was magical when we did Sachin. It was magical when we did Vela Yudham. I miss those times sometimes.
Okay, so coming back to the South industry, and since you told you have come back to acting, your long-term wish, I mean, to work with Surya sir.
Yeah.
And being a fan of Surya, and it's been a huge gap, and Surya sir, and now he's settled in Bombay. And
Has he?
Yeah.
Okay.
So-
I don't think so. I think he shifts up. I think the kids study.
kids here. I think fingers crossed probably with Surya sir we can see in Tamil film.
Yeah, I mean, I just like him as an actor, but I'm happy with. If someone thinks that I fit a role, I'm happy to do it. So I've always said that you admire stars and you admire superstars, but I've always been happy with newcomers also that I've worked with. So I think what matters to me the most is the role that I'm offered. In my whole career, I've taken a conscious decision to, even if it's a 5-minute role, it should be an impactful role. So that's the way I'd like to be now as well. Yeah, I think Surya is amazing. I know Jyotika very well. I in fact interact with her very often here, and I think she's a lovely girl. I mean, Surya and Jyotika actually are pretty much couple goals. They are so lovely when you meet them. They are so with their kids, and they are so progressive. I love seeing them together, and I love interacting with them. I've met them quite a few times. I think that at least me and Ritesh feel that we match in wavelength. So yeah, so
And
they're
also the couple goals.
so yeah, no, I mean they're really lovely. They're really lovely. They're such big stars, but they're so simple and so warm whenever you meet them.
Of course, you've been shot everywhere, like be the paparazzis or such, or even the award shows. And one such video you've already given in an interview, other interview, wherein I think after a long break you went to an award show. You were very tired.
Yes.
But that reaction was like a
Yes.
jealous reaction
Yes.
of Preeti
Yes.
Zinda,
Yeah.
ma'am, and that went viral.
Yes.
And that shows, like, I mean, like, you also told like you were very tired. What
Yeah, I was.
there in-
So no, I mean, I have hats off to the
Cameraman.
cameraman who shot it, but and he made a great story.
Yes.
But the point of the matter, I've known Preeti for very long, so there's nothing like what was communicated. I had just had my babies, and I just was stepping out after a while, after my second child, and I had worn heels after a while, because when you're pregnant and when you're just delivered, you really wear flats all the
yeah.
time. This was after a very long time that I had worn really high heels, 6 inches heels. And I was already tired before meeting Preeti. And Ritesh and Preeti have known each other forever. So they met and they got chatting. And while talking, my legs were killing me. I didn't know how to express because I didn't want them to stop talking. But
yeah.
I was like in pain. But yeah, the story turned out to be something else on the internet. But it's a good laugh. I think as long as you can laugh at it, it's fine.
You've come a long way, and now Sitare Zameen Par, and it's been a huge gap. And as in, like, we really want to back-to-back films, and like the way before it was. And I heard in few interviews you said you auditioned, and
Yes.
you auditioned thrice, and even after being an established actress, you have to still audition. And how do you see this?
No, I think it's amazing. I think, like today, if I want to do a role and if a director doesn't see me in a role and I get a chance to say, can I audition for you? I'll be happy to do it, So I don't have any reservations. I don't have any ego in it. Honestly, if you tell me to act and not do anything else, like, just act and go home. Don't do all these red carpets and all. I'm very happy. Like, fame happened to me, but it's not what I work for. I work for, like, I would be excited if today you tell me that I remember this dialogue of your film. I'll be more excited with that than knowing that, oh, I did 100 crores or 200 crores. So this means more to me.
And also, speaking of this 100 crores and 200 crores, I really wanted to ask two questions. Way back then, it was just films running for 100 days or such, but now it is blockbuster, box office. Keeping this aside, and there is also a split, people just divide and see, like north and south.
Yeah, I don't know why. I never did that. For me, my work was most special. I had some of my best roles in the South. So I have seen it as films whenever I've done it. Like, people do see it, and I don't know why they see it. I'm glad the awakening now is no more that way. But I think when you're an artist, you got to go with your heart and do the film that you love more than the language, because it's a medium of communication, it's a medium of love, and it's a medium of doing your best. So I don't know why people feel that doing this is better than doing that. It doesn't work for me.
Okay. And speaking of blockbuster and box office,
So I don't know what's the definition of blockbuster and box office anymore. Of course, everyone works really hard and you'd really want your film to do well. But I feel the journey is more special. Like making the film is more special than anything else. So if that is right, if the intent is right, if it's about putting up something that you truly believe in versus it just being laced with numbers, I'll choose the first one than the second.
we spoke a lot. I just want to share some picture memories. Of course, I showed you some videos and now the picture.
Pretty Queen Holidays and Resorts. Safe journey, secured stay, aesthetic environment, unexplored places, authentic foods, live together, love together, laugh together.
Meenakshi Academy of Higher Education and Research. Admissions open. Apply online.